Hey everybody, so today I made some pasta ravioli with some stuff that I just threw together, I don't know. Some kale, some pepper jack, some olive oil, salt and pepper, blah blah blah, and lime juice. And then we got this, I got this from Jungle Gyms, it's really good. And then I got this fiesta salad and this avocado, sort of. But that's what I'm going to be eating today. So let's eat because I didn't eat today and I'm hungry and it's like 10 at night. Oh, okay everybody. So literally in this video, I'm just fucking hungry. So I probably won't talk that much, sorry. So this salad is fiesta salad with chicken. It was like $1.75 at Jungle Gyms. But yeah, I'm gonna take off this jacket. So anyway, I'm gonna eat the salad first. No, I lied. So this is really good. This ravioli has mushrooms in it. I just kind of winged it because I'm so hungry. But honestly, it looks good, so whatever. Okay. I know I said I didn't, like, I know I said I wouldn't talk a lot, but, like, I probably lied a little bit. I don't know. But I'll probably stop talking eventually. Oh. Ew. And then here I have that mixture of olives, jalapeno, and cheese. It's really good. I honestly didn't think it'd be this good. So the salad comes with croutons and dressing. Then I'm gonna throw some avocado on it because I need to use this avocado anyway. It's a giant ass avocado. Oh boy. I'm gonna restart my health journey again. Even though on my old YouTube channel I always said that and I never truly 100%. You know, I don't think anyone on a health journey really 100% does it. Unless they're really, really committed. And I'm pregnant right now, so it's like the perfect time, and it's like the new year. So it's like, why not? Hey, as long as I'm even trying, like, that's what matters. You know, sometimes you try and you fail, and then you just get up and try again. Even if over the holidays you gain 12 pounds, because that's probably what happened to me, honestly. It's easy to do that, you know. For me. For me. Yeah. It was good, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. It was good. So, this is what the salad looks like. It's got some corn. I think it had beans, didn't it? No, maybe I lied. I don't see any beans. Oh well. My shit's gonna get cold. Everyone do a quick prayer for my hair to grow fast. Because I done chopped it all off. And I regretted it. I'm not gonna lie to you. I like winged this pasta sauce, but it's actually fire. I put a little bit of milk, 2 slices of pepper jack, the juice from the mushroom, and some butter, and a little bit of olive oil, and some lime juice. I feel like every time I use lime juice in my recipes, it just gets 20 times better. I don't know why. I wonder if people look at me and think I'm a lesbian. I bet they do. A lot of lesbians have short hair. I don't know why. Look at me. Do I look like a lesbian? I feel like I kind of do. But that's okay. I like lesbians. I'm a little lesbian. I'm also a little bit attracted to men too, like my boyfriend. Just depends on the person, really. I mean, you're not going to be sexually attracted to everyone you see, really. Maybe. I got some water. Did I tell you I put tomato in it? I put some spices like cracked pepper, like the fresh cracked pepper, and then also some pink Himalayan sea salt, and then just a little bit of garlic powder, like literally just the smallest bit, and a little bit of onion powder. And that's really it. Honestly, it's really good. I honestly should have shredded that kale more, but I was in a real big rush. Because like I said, I didn't eat anything today. That poor baby. So usually I overeat, so it's fine. It's fine for today. I think I should save some of this for tomorrow because honestly it's good. I'm getting full, believe it or not. Probably because I didn't eat all day. Ow. I feel like if I don't eat all day and then I eat, I get full real fast. I mean, it kind of makes sense. I gotta finish, though. I got a baby in me. Ow. Oh! I would save this for later, but I don't like soggy croutons. And I'm not about to eat that tomorrow. It's fucking soggy ass croutons. You got me fucked up. Oops, shit. Fucking... Who the fuck wants soggy croutons on their salad? Not me. Bitch, if I'm gonna eat salad, it's gonna have crispy ass crouton, not soggy crouton. Oh, bitch, we got this. I've never been this full in my life. I don't know why. It hurts. Might be partly the water, too. Jesus. Did not think I'd be this full right now. I thought I could eat more. What the fuck is wrong with me? I blame my back pain. Okay, everybody. I'm all done. Oh, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.